Be at peace, be in love, for the rays of the one light shines brighter than ever before. All beings recognize the call of the light, just as all beings on earth receive the blessed rays of the sun. All is nurtured by the warm rays of your local star, for it not only gives life to all things on earth, it also defines how all life evolves. Now, more than ever, the gateways to the heavenly realms are open, pouring in the life-giving force of the light. It is the end of the ego-mind perspective. For thousands of years, your race has lived by the perspective of the ego-mind, but now you're stepping into a new phase of your evolution, where the survivalist mind subsides and gives room to the higher mind, the perspective of you that is connected to all things in a conscious manner. No longer will you feel isolated and left alone in the harsh reality that you call Earth, for that illusion is at its end, since that is also the creation of the greatest illusionist, the ego mind. Now this influx of higher light that is transmitted by your sun is amplifying this transformative effect. Its rays shower the world and flow through it in all planes. All receive the new codes that bring in the templates on how to function from the perspective of the higher mind, and it also includes codes that will allow your body to transform and evolve in a new direction. Your race has held on to the idea that evolution occurs through multiple generations, taking thousands or even millions of years for a species to change in any noticeable way, and this is true in most cases. But there are evolutionary jumps that can occur at specific juncture points during a planet's soul evolution. At these times of change, all children who wish to stay with their mother receive the new codes that will allow them to adapt to the new reality. Some knowingly or unknowingly choose to reject this change, but that is their individual choice. There is no right or wrong answer here, for Earth has always been about having a dense experience. Some used it as an evolutionary jumping board, and many simply chose to experience density to its fullest. Earth has always been a very dense world, a place where you could explore limitation at its fullest. But now Gaia and a large majority of her children decided that they want to move in a new direction. All the children who still wish to explore density to its fullest will have to tune into another reality, for this domain is rapidly moving out of the frequency band where such activities are possible. But how can you tune in to the new reality? The simple answer is, you already are. To ease this transitioning, we recommend cleansing yourself on all levels. As we have stated, everything that is of lower nature cannot move forward with Gaia. Spend time alone meditating, explore yourself, and know that all things that are not in tune with the new reality will come up. Now is a wonderful time to process your old wounds and the traumas of the past, so you can become lighter and move out of the looming shadows of the past. Some of you may feel that you are passing through different realities, that you are experiencing multiple versions of yourself at the same time, and that you are remembering old incarnations that are relevant right now. These are all natural side effects of you awakening to your true potential. You are becoming more aware of your eternal self, the self that transcends all realities. To some, this may be a very dramatic shift. Some may experience nervous breakdowns, mood swings, or you may feel like crying for days. These are all natural side effects of you letting go of your old self. Some call this process the end of the ego self, your old limited self, but rest assured this is not the end. For the crumbling phoenix turns to ash, so it may be reborn in the fires of heaven. But how can you help people around you? By letting this process fully take place in you. Earth is being bombarded with these high-frequency energies, but still you need someone who can receive them and convert them into codes that are compatible with the local population. You are this great converter of light, for you're letting go of your old self, and by doing so, you're allowing your new self to rise. And by allowing this to happen, you are solving the equation of the evolutionary jump, so all who are ready to take the next step may do so with ease. With that, we'll leave you children of the light. Shine your light and stand brighter than ever before. Aho.